With Sterilizer Autoclave solutions, you'll get a wealth of available benefits that help you better understand your autoclaves inside and out. And we have a variety of resources available to help you. Like our various Scican resources that are available to anyone, customer or not, for free at any time. Our Scican resource tab has user manuals and technical guides for all of your Scican devices that come straight from the manufacturer. We also have a Scican video tab, which houses our collection of various videos about all things Scican. Things like autoclave overviews, tutorials, troubleshooting, and more. Then there's the Scican PM checklist tab to view the digital preventative maintenance checklists to ensure your Scican devices are properly maintained. Our PM checklists are also free to download in case you want to come back to them later. And like our other resources, this library is always expanding. With all of these resources at your fingertips, SAS guarantees that you'll find exactly what you need when you need it. And if you have any questions, just give us a call at 704-966-1650 option 3 for our free tech support line. If you'd like to view any of the mentioned Scican resources, you can find them all using the links in the description below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.